Today, guys, I'm comparing my hydraulic press to this power hammer. And to get it to half thickness, that took about 5 seconds. So obviously, the press is beating the power hammer in this category. Alright guys, now I'm going to be comparing how well the power hammer versus the press does flattening thinner metal. Alright guys, the power hammer did great flattening that thinner metal, but we're going to see how that stands up to this 30-ton hydraulic press. I don't know who's going to win. So, as expected guys, the press did worse flattening thin metal because there's so much metal to suck the heat out of my hot metal here. The power hammer definitely won that one, but I think the press won smashing thick metal down.